Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Now guys, let's take a look on the gold market. So the same in euro currency, on the gold on the daily chart we do not have a lot of changes. You can see session by session market stands in a very tight range. Actually nothing new. Nominal trend turns bearish, but we are based our trade on this pattern, suggesting action to the 34.40 area approximately, at least to this area. So maybe it will be even higher. Potentially we could imagine appearing, for example, butterfly here, right? For instance, if it be deep retracement may happen, market start forming higher upward action. So on the daily chart, there's no problems with the bullish setup for now. We do not have any significant bearish action, some significant drop or something. Market stands in a relatively tight range. Yes, potentially it could, for example, form deep retracement, but it will not hurt the overall background, at least until market stands above the 31.20 area, above these lows. So that's why the early understanding on what's going on here based on intraday chart, this is our primary task. In today's euro video, we said that market still holds some bearish signs, and yes, potentially it might be the failure of the hand shoulders pattern on intraday charts. Once we will get the first signs of it, it might be the first hint on the possible upward continuation on the euro. But at the same time, for now, we see that some intraday bullish patterns on the dollar index are forming. 10-year bonds are rising, although maybe not as fast, but still they stand in the positive area. So all this stuff suggests that some stronger dollar and a bit deeper retracement as on the euro currency as in the gold market can't be totally eliminated. So, and we need to take a look at the overall price action from that perspective. So on the follow time frame chart, what we have here, market is forming a kind of the upward ABCD performance in tight range, start reminding kind of the flag pattern. What we could watch for here to get the clear understanding that probably bullish context is returning and market is ready for a possible further upward action. I would say that something like this, if we will get something like this, we could say. So if market return rate back up somewhere to the 34 or 33.90, start forming reverse head and shoulders for the possible upward perspective, that probably could be said that yes, the bullish context returning, seems we will not get any further drop, and we could consider taking the long position. What is more interesting, guys, that as market stands right here, as if we will get right arm here, price will be the same, but the background, the price shape will be drastically different compared to what we have here. Now we have nothing, no clear pattern, but if hand shoulders will appear, the pattern already will be in the final stage, and we will have the really reasons to think about taking the long position here. For now, I prefer to wait and see what will happen. On a divergence is still valid here. Price action mostly reminds kind of the ABCD retracement rather than some thrusting reversal, something like this. We should be patient in the current circumstances. On the hourly chart, the same story. So our triple to sells worked nice. Market has retested this line, shows the pullback. So currently you either already take some results or you're at the break even with this position. Now we just need to see what will happen. If today we will see that market is breaking up this trend line, returning inside of this consolidation, moving about to the 360, that might be the first sign that we're going to the upside once again. If nothing of this will happen, and for instance, I don't know, let's say here we start getting the butterfly right to the downside, it means that the bearish context is still valid and we should be ready for a bit deeper retracement. So we return back to idea of the 32.70, 32.90 area where the major support currently stands for the gold. So since our context is bullish, we are not considering any bearish positions here. They are not actually forbidden, as you understand, but The trading routine on the intraday charts on the bearish direction will be totally upon you. So if you would like to do this, you will have to prepare your own trading plan for this. We're mostly dealing with the daily chart for direction. That's why our task here is to wait either clear signs that the bullish context returns, or to catch the proper dip for potential long entry with the context and the scenario that we have on the daily chart.